everybody, this is my dog Fred. And you know, we're just taking him to the dog park. We're just stopping by at the bank, that's all.
Pretty baby!
I like that horn. Beep it. He's right there. He's the pug. See that pug right over there?
Yeah.
Red. Red. Oh, I just said buddy. They're buddies too. See? I told you they would get along here. I told you.
Freddy beds. Fred, what it is?
Hey, Fred. It's okay. Go on. Play with your buddies.
Okay, go ahead.
My dog Fred likes to sniff people's butts and dogs' butts. Butts. The butt sniffer. The butts.
Call him. Here he comes.
Come here, Fred.
Freddy beds.
Freddy, you having a good time? You look like you're having a good time, buddy. Go ahead, have fun.
Okay, go ahead.
This is my dog Fred. It was fun. No, it was so funny that when Fred, this guy, he sniffed a bulldog's butt and the bulldog said, "Stop it!" I can tell that when they do that, that means they're trying to say stop.
Listen to Fred. 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 Yo, Fred. Fred.